Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I saw the straw clutch from LUOFMISS, I knew that I had to have it. For one thing, this has such an awesome variety of colors in it, and I love that even though there's so many, it's not clashy. In fact, it looks really good together. I think the accent of the gold clasp in the front is really classy. Just as a tip, in order to get the clasp to close, just make sure it's lined up well and then it goes in easily and it's really secure. In fact, I found that it kept all of the things inside the purse really well, even when I would like dump it upside down and shake it. This is fully lined, and although it can fit many items, I found that I like to keep just a few in it, just necessities. That way it kept it on the slim side and I felt comfortable having it underneath my arm. This is such an eye-catching purse. I get compliments on it every time I use it. It can be used whether you're dressed up or dressed down. This is such an adorable purse. I'm so happy I have it, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.